Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of ITIL 4 acquiring and managing cloud services in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Relevance. Cloud technology is becoming increasingly relevant to IT operations and business strategy. A variety of candidates in and outside of IT can study ITIL AMCS to gain valuable cloud expertise. 2. Prerequisites. Unlike other ITIL modules, ITIL AMCS has no prerequisites. This means anybody can use it to study cloud service management, including candidates with no technical background. 3. Migration. ITIL AMCS goes into detail about the benefits of migrating to the cloud and the processes involved in doing so. This can make a business's cloud migration more economic, efficient, and effective. 4. Future-proofing. Organizations across the world use the cloud to optimize IT services. Adopting cloud-based practices will only become more integral to staying competitive in high-velocity markets. 5. Applicability. ITIL AMCS teaches users to assess organizational requirements and the feasibility of cloud solutions. This keeps cloud adoption efficient, targeted, and strategically aligned. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources for ITIL, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.